Crypto investment can be very exciting business and very profitable, but it's very important for you to understand exactly how it works before you start investing in crypto. So this video is going to be a friendly guide on exactly how you can start investing in cryptocurrency, and especially for the beginners who want to start making money from crypto, all right? So first, here is exactly what we're going to be discussing in this video. The very first thing is actually understanding the cryptocurrency. What exactly are they and how does it work, all right? Who control crypto asset and who owns cryptocurrency, okay? So the second thing we're going to be discussing is exactly how to set up a crypto wallet, okay? I'm going to be explaining exactly what a crypto wallet, the kind of crypto wallet, and which of them is actually ideal for you as a beginner, someone who is just getting started in crypto investment, who want to start making money from crypto. So the third thing we're going to be discussing is exactly how to choose the right crypto exchange platform, because you want to buy and sell. Of course, you need an exchange to do all this. So which is actually the best exchange platform you can literally use to securely do your transaction online and start investing in crypto asset. So the fourth thing we're going to be discussing is exactly how to buy cryptocurrency, exactly what are the steps you need to take if you want to buy crypto asset. Another thing we'll be discussing in this video is the investment strategy. What are the strategies you can use to make money from cryptocurrency and which of them is ideal for you as a beginner, all right? So the sixth thing we'll be discussing is exactly the risk involved in cryptocurrency and how you can stay safe. If there is one thing you need to know, or something you've already know about crypto asset, is there are a lot of scams that happen in crypto, because people can literally make money easily in crypto. So if you do not understand exactly how it works, people can literally take advantage of you and scam you your hard-earned money, right? So I'm going to be telling you exactly what are the risks involved in investing in crypto asset, the risk, and of course how to stay safe, okay? So the last thing we'll be discussing in this video is exactly the useful crypto tools and the resources that can literally help you to scale or to start in this industry. All right, so before we start proper, I want to literally introduce myself to you. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Coach Ishaq. I'm an online business entrepreneur. I make my money 100% from online, and I also teach people exactly how to make that money from online. Now, I've been an online entrepreneur for the past 2 years, about 24 months now. In these 24 months, I've helped over 400,000 people on TikTok alone, where I show them exactly how to attain financial freedom by showing them different ways they can literally make money to themselves. Now, that is not all. I've also been able to help over 160,000 people on Facebook, where I show them exactly how they can make money to themselves and a different business strategy they can actually use to, escape financial instability and gain financial freedom, okay? So that is exactly what I want to replicate on this channel, okay? So subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bells. So the very first question you want to ask yourself if you want to start investing in cryptocurrency as a beginner is, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that uses blockchain technology to secure your transaction. Now, unlike our traditional banks, cryptocurrency is a digital asset that are not actually controlled by authority. Example is bank and government, right? So crypto is a decentralized system, right, or network that is being controlled by individual. Now, another thing you have to understand is they are digital assets. Unlike the dollars, you can go to the bank now, withdraw dollars or naira or maybe pounds, and take it to your house and keep it. But crypto is not like that, right? So they are digital assets. You can't see them, you can't touch them, but they exist. So popular among this cryptocurrency are Bitcoins. BTC or Bitcoin is the first crypto asset and the most valuable crypto asset, and very expensive. As at the time of recording this video, one BTC is around $81,000. So another cryptocurrency you may know is Ethereum, ETH. Another one is Solana, right? In fact, there are thousands and thousands of crypto assets, all right? But these are the most popular ones you can literally see on almost exchanges. So the second thing we'll be talking about in this video is setting up a crypto wallet. So what exactly is a crypto wallet? So a crypto wallet is essentially a place where you store and manage your crypto asset. If you want to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Solana, you need somewhere to store them. So this place you store them is called a wallet. There are two types of wallet. We have the hot wallet and we have the cold wallet, all right? So hot wallet are easily accessible and it's actually user friendly. Example of them is Trust Wallet. But one thing about this kind of wallet is because it's easily accessible, with a little mistake it can get hacked. So that will take us to the next kind of wallet we have, which is actually the cold wallet, right? So this one, they are offline, all right? And it is more secure but less convenient, right? So you have to take them around, okay? Example is Ledger, Trezor, etc. All right. So now, for a beginner, someone who just started in crypto investing, right? So I advise you to go with, hot wallet. So when you start advancing, you start having a lot of portfolios, a lot of money, then you can move some of your assets to cold wallet, right? I hope you understand this. So the next thing we want to talk about right now is choosing the right exchange platform. A crypto exchange is a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Okay, so popular among them include Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, Bybit, CoinX, the whole lot of them, right? So when choosing an exchange, there are a couple of things you want to consider. Number one is the security. Number two is the exchange fee, and of course, the third thing you have to consider is the ease of use. All right. So the next thing we'll be discussing right now is exactly how do you buy crypto asset. So how do you buy cryptocurrency? All right. So the very first thing is actually choosing an exchange, which we've discussed earlier. So after choosing an exchange, the next thing is actually signing up on this exchange. So create an account, verify your identity. Once you've done that, the next thing is to deposit a fund, right? To deposit money into your exchange wallet. Okay. So once you've done this, then you can now proceed to buy any crypto asset you want to buy, that Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, etc. Right? So once you've bought the one you want to buy, so the next thing is actually store securely. Now, how do you store them? It's actually moving your money from exchange. So people do keep their crypto assets in exchange, but I don't advise you to do that, right? So if your money or your crypto asset is on any exchange, what it means is that exchange controls that money, okay? They can decide to seize that money for one or two reasons and all that, right? So to actually secure your crypto asset, what I advise you to do is literally pulling your fund from this exchange and move it to your hot wallet, such as Trust Wallet. All right. So this way, nobody can seize your money. You have it forever. Okay. What are the investment strategies in cryptocurrency, and which of them is actually suitable for you as a beginner? All right. There are different kinds of investment strategies in cryptocurrency. Now, popular among them is the one we call hodling. Now, what this means is you buy crypto asset, you hold it for a longer time. Let's say you buy BTC at $50,000 maybe last year, and you want to hold it for like 2, 3, 4, 5 years, right? Even 10 years, right? And probably the price might increase to like $200,000 and sell them, all right? So this is what we call hodling. People who buy crypto asset, hold it for a very long time and sell it later for a profit. So another investment strategy you can actually go in is what we call day trading. Okay, let's say you buy BTC at $50,000 right now, and once the price increases to maybe $52,000, you sell them, right, and you take your $2,000 profit. These are what we call day trader or day trading. Okay, so you have to decide on which of these you want to go into and which of these is literally profitable for you. All right. So the last investment strategy we'll be talking about is the staking. Now, this is more like leveraging, okay? So this is when you trade in the crypto futures market, right? So we call it leverage trading. So maybe you need to learn more on exactly how to do future trading, but it can be very profitable. So these are the investment strategies you can literally use to make money in cryptocurrency, all right? So the last thing we'll be discussing is the risk involved in investing in crypto asset and exactly how you can manage this risk and stay safe. So what you need to understand is the volatility. Cryptocurrency is very volatile. The price change very quickly. The price can go up very quickly and can come down very quickly. Okay, so the price movement in crypto is literally determined by whether people want to sell or people want to buy, or based on news. So you have to understand that price fluctuates widely. Only invest what you can afford to lose, right? Don't take your life investment or your life saving and invest in cryptocurrency, okay? It can be very devastating if the price go against you, okay? So invest how much you can afford to lose. That is it. So to invest in cryptocurrency and stay safe as a beginner, you have to understand what we call the scams and rug pulls. So if some projects are too good to be true, they can literally be a lie. So if you are investing in this kind of project, you have to be very careful. Don't hold that kind of asset for a long time, okay? because it can be very devastating and you can lose a lot of money. Example of them is the Trump coin launched earlier this year, somewhere in January, right? So the coin moved from around $7 up to $75 in less than 48 hours, all right? Now, after then, the price moved back to about $12. As at the time of recording this video, maybe Trump coin is around maybe $11 or $10, right? So the question right now is, what about those that bought when it was around $70? They've lose a lot of money. About 90% of their money is gone, okay? So this kind of project, you have to be aware of them, okay? Don't invest too much money in this kind of project. So these are the project we call rug pull, okay? So there are some dubious people out there that will launch this kind of project. You know, they want you to put money, then after that, they will liquidate everything, and before you know, your money is gone. So be aware of rug pulls. It's very important, all right? Again, this is not a financial advice. Before you buy any crypto assets, make your own research. The last thing we'll be discussing the useful crypto tools and resources, all right? So I promise you this is going to be the last one. So you can use tools like coinmarketcap.com and coingecko.com to actually make more research on the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Then go on crypto news website, right, where you can see more trending news about any crypto asset and what people are talking about it. Have more information on any crypto asset you want to buy. So that is pretty much, all right? So if you watch this video to this extent and you've not subscribed, I still don't know what you are waiting for, okay? Because almost every day right now, I'll be uploading videos on the best and easiest way you can invest your money, you can make money online, okay? So make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and leave me a comment and tell me what you've learned in this video. Now, this word of encouragement will literally make me to publish more videos like this that will help you to make more money online, all right? So see you on the next one.